Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty, and today I'm doing the numbers pick my eyeshadow challenge. I've been seeing this go around a lot and I just got this beautiful palette in the mail. This is the Beauty Bay ENY Brights palette, and oh my god, it's just so gorgeous. This is the one with shimmers. You can also get this exact palette and they're all mattes, but I wanted the beautiful metallics. So when I got this in the mail, I thought I would give this challenge a try, and I'm really excited but really nervous, and I hope I get colors that work in my benefit. So I hope you subscribe to my channel and follow my social media down below, and let's get on with this challenge. So I think starting off, I'm gonna pick 4 shades for a transition shade, a crease shade, an outer V, and a lid shade. Depending on the colors, I might go in with a 5th for like a brow bone highlight situation, but I'm gonna go off with 4 first. And like I said, I have the Beauty Bay Bright palette. Let me just give you a close-up on this palette because it is the prettiest thing I've ever seen. I actually used it yesterday in a look, and that's why my eyelids are stained a little green. And it worked so good, so I already know I highly recommend this palette, and it was $25. So, like I said, I'm gonna pick 4 colors, and I'm just gonna ask Siri on my phone to pick some random numbers, and I'm gonna do it live in action so you know I'm not lying. So there are 42 shades in this palette, so I'm gonna ask Siri pick a number between 1 and 42, and she's gonna let me know. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 42.
A random number between 1 and 42 is 32.
Okay, so my first number is 32, 29, 30, 31, 32. So this is my first shade. It is the shade Splash, and it is a blue, like a mid-tone blue metallic. So this could be the lid shade because it's metallic, but maybe I'll get all metallic, so let's just go to the next color. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 42.
A random number between 1 and 42 is 2.
2. So that is the shade Angel Cake right here. It is like a light shimmer color. Like, it's really pretty. It's kind of peachy. It's kind of pink, but not really pink, like a cream. You see it, it's right here. This is shade number 2. So this is what I meant by I might also pick another color and use like that as a brow bone. Like I might pick 5 colors, but we will see. Let's go on to the next color. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 42.
A random number between 1 and 42 is 13.
Oh my gosh, I already know which one that is because this is 7. So the next shade, this is the 14th or the 13th shade, because 7, this is 14th, this is 13th obviously, and this is a bright hot pink with a metallic blue. So it's called Make Them Wink because you're playing me. If I didn't tell you, it's this hot pink. It's like again a mid-tone really hot fuchsia pink right there. Hey Siri, bitch. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 42.
A random number between 1 and 42 is 1.
She picked 1, which is the white, which, I mean, okay, I'm not mad about it. I'm honestly not mad about it. So right now I have 4 shades. I have Splash, which is that shimmer blue. I have Angel Cake, which is that second color, that creamy shimmer lid. You know what I mean. Make Them Wink, which is a hot fire pink, and the white shade. So I'm gonna do 1 more shade and hope for like a deeper shade so I can have some depth to this blue and pink look. Hey Siri, Pick a number between 1 and 42.
A random number between 1 and 42 is 2.
Okay, so she already picked that, so I'm going to pick again. Pick a number between 1 and 42.
The answer is 18.
Okay, 18. So this is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I got Heat Wave, which is a hot matte orange. Okay, I see a vision. Those are my 5 shades. Like I already just told you, but my 5 shades are Splash, the first shade we picked out, which is a metallic blue. Angel Cake, which is the second shade we picked out. It's like a light creamy metallic. 3, Make Them Wink, which is like a hot fiery pink. 4 is just the white. And the last shade we just picked, Heat Wave, which is a hot fire matte orange, which again is kind of mid-tone. It's not really dark, not really light. So I got to create a look using those 5 shades. Alright, so I think I have something in my head. I'm going to kind of go off of a look I seriously just did yesterday and kind of do that same layout because I think that's what's going to play best with these shades. So I'm going to start off with that pink shade, the Make Them Wink. And I'm going to pick this up on a Morphe M441 and start putting that in my crease. So next I'm going to go in with that shade Heat Wave on this tiny little Eco Tools brush, any tapered skinny brush, and I'm going to take that on the outside of the pink and start using it to blend and just have like a really pretty transition. Actually, I don't like this brush. I'm going to use the Morphe M506. This is like one of my favorite eyeshadow brushes. And pick it in to that Heat Wave. I'm just taking a clean brush with no product on it just to really blend everything. And although that Heat Wave shade was like pure like light orange, it's the one right there that I used, it blended so easily with the pink. So it's not even like, you can't even really tell that I put orange on my eye. It kind of blended together to create a new color. So I'm gonna cut the crease now with my Sigma shader lid, E56 brush, and the P. Louise base. So I just got done cutting the crease, and I'm gonna go in with that pink shade just to diffuse the edges a little bit so it all blends, because it's all about that perfect blend. Okay, so now I'm gonna take that Splash shade, which is that blue, and I'm going to take that on the brush that I just cut my crease with, because it's such a good flat shader brush. And I'm going to put this right on the lid. Alright, so this is the Splash blue shade, and yet again I'm going to take some pink and just start blending these two shades together on that outer corner. I'm kind of like spooked with these shadows, because I swear I'm only using the colors that I picked and it looks like 5 other shades are on my eyes, but it's just because they are blending together and just like going so into each other, and it's just making such a pretty look. Alright, so I'm just gonna wipe off this brush that I just used with that blue shade so I can use it for our next shade. Now with that same Sigma brush, I'm gonna pick into our other shade, Angel Cake, and I'm gonna apply this right here on the rest of the lid. So like I did on that side, you can tell the difference. I seriously just take the brush and just use the brush itself to just mend these shades together. This is what I have so far using the blue, pink, orange, and the Angel Cake color. I'm just really quick gonna go do my lower lash line with the pink and orange and kind of work on the top, just using the same colors and just blend in and pack in any spots that need a little bit more of a certain color. Just kind of play around with the eyeshadow look, and I'll be back to use our final color. So I'm finally back and I'm gonna do my final 5th color, which is the white. And I'm gonna be predictable and use it as an inner corner and brow bone highlight. I'm taking that on a Morphe Y22 brush. It's just like a little pencil brush. And let's see how good and impactful this white is. Okay, I think I'm finally done with the eyeshadow. I can't believe the colors that I got and the look I created and how much they went together when you wouldn't think they went together. This is the eyeshadow look. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup and I will be right back to show you the final look. Okay guys, this is the final makeup look. I love how it came out. I added some little stars with the Milk makeup stamp, added a wing and some mascara, and this is Christmas Cookie by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And I love it. I really can't get over the colors that I just so happened to get, and the way that I paired them, it just worked out so much, and it's really awesome. I'm glad I was able to create something, and I think I want to do this challenge like a couple more times, like here and there. Maybe not on YouTube, but let me know in the comments if you would want to see this again, because I really feel like it really just gets those creative juices flowing, and it makes you want to create, and it makes you think like, how can I use this product and like this color is a certain way, and it really just gets you out of your comfort zone. Because never would I open this and be like, okay, I'm gonna pair this pink, this orange with this shade of blue and like these two colors. Like, I just wouldn't do that. I just would love to do this again, maybe just as like an Instagram post and let you guys know in the comments. And I highly recommend it for everyone to try to do it. Now, I know like not every time you're gonna be that lucky, and I'm sure there's gonna be like times that I might do it and have no idea what to do and the look might be like trash, but it's just really fun to just try, and like it could come out to be something really cool that you really love, like how I feel with this look. So I highly recommend anybody that needs kind of a creative kick to the butt, do this challenge. It was a lot of fun, and I just really enjoy the look that I created, and I'm about to go take some pictures right after I'm done this video, and that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my social media down below, and yeah, I would love to see you back again. Let me know in the comments below what else do you want to see. Do you like these challenges? Do you not like them? because I really loved it and I would love to do more challenges. And yeah, that's that with that. I guess that's the end. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.